Afo you to welcome boy can come out here. Yeah, achieve pamela chi one key.
Hitman.
Yeah. Now the pen your mini romatien till a date name. K war campaign be known it down to cut down looking teach. Madam to cut him especially Luciana Mageti Emirates. Mageti Uchalo Kadama. Itamango metwero miyone kijo mageti gang kuja mag down looking Luciana Niera Nagiwa ni Pino Loigio. But or Loigio they're frustrated. That is why we be look at teach as Kadamas. Tamango metwero miyone.
Well, antamuni tipo mero kicha, tipo mero kicha and yomagadi tichano kadama edini. Pretty local and a lot of money getting to every year in year out and kay nano backlog ma gang ma tikpe god ulu kay nano strike tikachero on the streets and all that. So then ma bino katim kadama no go relieving government ma jail of the pressure nano ni go bien gunong tikke no mo wako ka edini and then also nano ni igang achela ben giti loko ko chena ma joni tiyo magichwalo gang gitika building ki odi gitika timo ke jema bedma I think Johnny pegging helping here, like people magilo any is out of ignorance. Maybe war kadama pian get it you come channel, real channel. Ma pegi better challenge joke and magi core jama korani.
Okay. Avoid to tell you forgot also to speak about the tax. Magamente me Uganda tika noki community and mati
Just talk about that. That's a lot, like a lot of money.
So we are actually making money for Uganda.
And
yes.
In turn, you're working for the economy. The economy is doing pretty well in terms of labor market work, and I think that the sooner the better. And we respect their contribution towards the development of our country in general. Yeah, I think that is very important.
It's man over for to tell wa make a comment section. Mean wa comment mama ini tamu ikom kadamas pingo down looking at their jobs. Niku pino kan work stuff like that. Hey, what kono comment section.
Okay, comment. How about you?